Right, this is D to the E to the L to the E. This is another episode of Stuff Your Stomach. We are here in Eddie Hart every Sunday at 7 o'clock to feature somebody big. And guess who we're featuring this week? Guess who we're featuring this week? The Sheriff Grill Wings. On a Sunday, right here in Eddie Hart, you can come and get it. Right here in Stuff Your Stomach, we are featuring them today. And we're going to run the competition today. Remember we promised you all last week when we did Tifa Pop that we was going to feature somebody else. And that feature for this week, which is being run by Sheldon, is the Sheriff Grill Wings. Now these grill wings is not no regular grill wings, you know. Nah, come. Come. It's not no regular schmegular wings. No. They have at least 6 different type of wings going on in the back there. You understand? Don't feel. Look at that thing here, you know. If you want to check it out yourself, you can check it up on Facebook and Instagram. But we are featuring them here today on Stuff Your Stomach. We're going to run a competition. You would like to know what these boxes are for. I am going to run a competition with myself and an opponent. I'll get a random person who's passing here in Eddie Hart to take the challenge of me. Who can run against me? No. Let me talk to Mr. Sheldon. Yes, Sheldon is here. I just telling them about the competition. I just telling them about the establishment. Give us a little rundown of the kind of wings you'll get here now.
Well, you will get plain wings. We also have sweet and sour, spicy, teriyaki, which is a kind of a sweetish wings. And then you have a barbecue, delicious barbecue wings.
So when you come to the Sheriff,
yes,
do you have to choose one type of wing or you can get a mix?
You can get a mix, any kind of mix you want. And we also have a nice delicious fries, which is a spicy wedge fries, not a normal fries.
So this is not regular wings. This is the Sheriff of Wings right here in Eddie Hart on Stuff Your Stomach. So what we're going to do, Sheldon, we want you to organize 3 sets of wings. One set here.
Yeah.
Open it and let me see what type of wings you organize here.
So we have a nice spicy wings here.
Right, this is spicy.
Spicy. You have a nice spicy wings here.
This is not the teriyaki.
No, this is the spicy wings. So I want to see the customers eat the spicy wings.
Alright. You know this is out of all the times I decide to take part of the competition is today. And it's today Sheldon want to bring out these spicy wings. Wait boy. Sheldon has ordered 4 sets of spicy wings. I don't know for what. But he bringing more spicy wings. I think I bite off a little too much. More than I could chew, so to speak. Right here and Stuff Your Stomach. Sheldon, what the extra wings for, man?
Well, at the Sheriff, he does get more than he expected. Right? And that is what we just do. We tell the customer something and give them more than they expect. When they come to the Sheriff, that is what we do.
So, Sheldon, you only out here on Sundays? Because I want to know.
Actually, wings and fries is on our Sundays. We out here Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday with the Sheriff Grill, which is a big food truck, a big red food truck. So we do wings, we do burgers, we do grilled food, we do barbecue, we do sandwiches, and we do pasta. But on Sundays, our specialty wings and fries are alone on a Sunday.
Sheldon, you organize the wings here already?
Yeah. The wings coming. Right, nice. So we have 3 sets of wings here.
3 sets of wings.
Spicy wings.
Cheese and rice. So Sheldon, how you think we say it's just where's we take this young man here. Introduce yourself.
Good night, my name is Caleb.
And you here to compete for the wings?
Yeah.
You realize it's me you're going against?
Well, then it won't be a competition.
Because you know you're going to lose.
I don't think so.
All right. Caleb, tell us where you're from now?
I'm from Trincity.
From Trincity, I'm from Trincity. So 2 T's representing tonight, right? So Sheldon from the Sheriff Grill Foods. Give us 3 sets of hot wings. Let me let you open it and watch it. How long you take to eat that?
About a minute.
About a minute, right. Same thing here, same thing here. So Sheldon, he believed that we can mash this up in a minute.
A minute. You say a minute. All right, let's go.
All right.
If you mash this up in a minute, I'll give you a large portion of wings, any flavors you want, for free.
Wait! I wonder if you have sticky wings because things get sticky here. You get a large portion of wings. If you eat this in a minute, who finished first? Sheldon, you will be the judge. You will check to see how much meat on the bone,
Right.
who finished it off first, and I like the price. So I think I'm going to put on my man voice, put on my man chest.
I feel we could get our next contestant since it's 3 sets.
I feel we can get a next contestant. A lady, a lady, a lady, a lady, a lady.
How about this young lady across here?
Who? We looking for a young lady.
This one I can eat.
I wonder, you know. I would ask. Good evening.
Hi.
Would you like to have some free wings on the side here? You like spicy wings?
No thanks.
No, you don't like spicy wings?
No thanks on the whole.
No thanks on the whole.
No,
She said no thanks on the whole. No thanks on the whole. No thanks on the whole. We'll wait a little bit. Because whoever it is, they're gonna get beat up, you know. Whoever it is, they're gonna get beat up. So it don't matter who comes. I wonder if this guy here be willing to. But you're willing to eat some hot wings here? Stay turn off the camera and come on us.
How about your friend there?
Anybody from any crowd in the back there? The 10,000 people that looking at this right now. You sure you don't want? This is the opportunity of our lifetime here. You sure? Yes, we. Mama, you willing to? No. Let's eat. We have a minute to eat these. And again, a large portion of wings are your choice when you finish here. 1 minute. You think you can eat this in 1 minute? Eat this in 1 minute. Just one. Just this alone. 1 minute. 1 minute. You're winning a big portion of wings are your choice for free after this. It's me going against, so you might have a chance of winning.
Hey, watch me. If you win, you get a large portion of wings. Are your choice.
Come in, man. Hey. Oh, look, come in, man. People afraid it's hot wings or nobody. Caleb done in already. Dele done in already. It's just one more person we want to know. It's 3. It's not you alone, no. Oh, get what's this man?
Watch me.
Alright, keep coming. That's what we talking about. Already.
1, 2, 3.
Right. What's your name?
Chadley.
Chadley. Right. So, Chadley, Caleb, gonna get mashed up for me anyway. Either way. Just break up. Fine, like Chili Baby. Right. So we have Mr. Sheldon here. He's going to be the judge. Right. So, who are the timer? Somebody give me a timer. Somebody have a timer there? Gonna get a timer. Come in on this side now. Put on this side here, so. Caleb, you come in here. Right? You hold this. You hold this one here. Right? I hold my thing. Heat in the place, all there. Heat in the place. So you talk to me. Where you from?
Locketa.
La Hocketa, Trincity in the middle, and Trincity to the right. So we have 2 Trincity. Right. So we have the officials in the corner to the left here with the timer. We have the 3 burly contestants. And we have the judge. You have the cameraman. And things get sticky. And you're ready to go. Shall I hold the mic there?
Come on, let's go. On the mark. Open the boxes. Open the boxes, nice. Take out your mask, nice. On the mark. Get set. Go.
T-minus 1 minute.
How about Redman done getting down in the already, man? Come on, veteran. I won.
T-minus 50 seconds.
I like the fella in green, take any time, man. Come on, come on. Let's put it in the mouth. Ready?
T-minus 40 seconds.
She ready? She ready? Come on. A veteran in the middle too. All.
T-minus 30 seconds.
30 minutes again, come on. 30 seconds. Now, Redman, you didn't want to be in this competition and you're nearly done.
T-minus 20
What is
seconds.
this? Redman done! Hey! Go back to still get it down.
10,
Alright,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Alright.
3,
Where's the champion here,
2,
boy? Hey, come,
1.
Stop it. Alright, let me
0.
see, let me see, let me judge it. Let me judge it.
Uh,
Redman box here, boy. Redman box is the winner here. Wow!
we...
Hey. The man in green still have plenty to go, buddy. That's yours still.
We...
Wow.
Come on, Danny. Come on.
Yeah, man.
I'm up.
Champion.
Thanks. Well, boy, I'm so glad that everybody see that I let him win. Right? I find it was unfair. 2 Trincity people. Yeah, it will look bad. Right? That we need Brian to Trincity and then we win. So, I'll let my boy take it home to Lakota tonight. Congratulations. Right? And you didn't want to. Who you want to shout out?
I saw nobody.
You don't want to shout out nobody. You want to collect your rings and go home. But all they see, I'll let him win, right? All they have to believe me. I'll let him my pon, mamas. Caleb, bang. We allowed that to happen.
Yeah, we allow that happen.
Right? We allow that to happen.
It would have looked rigged now.
They will look rigged. So you see the technique that Caleb uses is slow down and take time and things. So he deliberately, by Caleb buying, we will take it home to Trincity next week.
Yeah.
This is another episode of Stuff Your Stomach. Check us out on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. And this is Dele Does It. I kind of sour, boy. I kind of sour. I mean, I'm not sour because I plan it. So, you have to say, many thanks to Sheldon for this episode. Any last specialties you want to let them know about during the week by the food truck?
Well, by the food truck, you could also call in the order. And if you want delivery, we do delivery through an app called 868. That's ATE68.com. So we also do deliveries. Our number is 689-3713. You could call in and pick up your order also.
So now I tell you out of winner, but the spicy was spicy, boy. It take me by surprise. I wasn't ready for that. But La Hakata, man, boy.
Yeah, ready.
I couldn't.
Ready.
I don't think the boy true. But anyway, this is another episode of Stuff Your Stomach. Say many thanks going out to Sheldon and of course the sheriff team who was backing us and supporting us. Make sure the wings was nice and hot, well cooked, well prepared, nice presentation, and I want you all to check out the food truck during the week. And remember, when nobody else does it, Dele does it.